Do you want a great activity to practice past simple and past progressive to improve your English grammar? I have a great activity for you. This is Jeopardy, a grammar game. All you have to do is click on the link in the description for this video, and it will take you to the game, and you start by just clicking Continue. For the game, one thing I can do is I want to change my team name at the bottom. So one team is going to be the Chiefs, and my second team is going to be the Royals. And we'll have the Chiefs go first, and they're going to choose this statement for 100. When I blank down the street, I blank on a banana. So to use past simple and past progressive in the sentence, I'll put, when I was walking down the street, I slipped on a banana, and I just pressed the space bar, and it shows me the answer, was walking and slipped. And if I want a video description of the answer, I just click on either the Facebook reel or the YouTube short link, and I get a short description of why that's the correct answer. One thing that will help you also improve a little bit more is when you do one of these, make sure that you say the answer out loud, or maybe you even write the answer. Don't just do it in your head. You'll improve more if you're really just getting the English out of your head by either speaking or writing. So let's try this one. We have a question for 200. Where blank he blank when the police drive. Okay, this one would be, where was he driving when the police stopped him? Did I get it correct? Yes, I did. So this one's for the Royals. I'm going to give the Royals 200 points. Let's do one more together. Let's try this error correction, and let's go error correction for 500. Why you were smoking cigarettes while I was not home. I think it's why were you smoking cigarettes while I was not home, because I need to put the helping verb in front of the subject. Let's check my answer. Yes, it is why were you smoking cigarettes. And for most of these, there is a video at the bottom that you can check to make sure you got the right answer. So just click the link in the description of this video. You can play this game once or 100 times. It also works really great on phones. So it shows up real well on phones, so you can play it anywhere. If you decide to use this game to practice and it works for you, leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll make more games. If you're a teacher and use this game with your classes, please let me know, because I also have some worksheets that go along with this game that you can assign for homework. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this activity.